Hello, first graders. This is Miss Byer here. Today in handwriting, we are going to focus on the letter X. But before we do that, we need to get ready. So pencils, pencils in the air, pencils, pencils everywhere. Follow me, then you'll see how to write letters correctly. All right, let's look at the letter X. It starts and it's slide down. So I would like you to put your finger in the air and just sky right along with me. Slide down, slide down. Perfect. Now put your finger on any kind of surface, whether it's the table or a notebook, anything, and we're going to now write it on that surface. Slide down, slide down. Okay, I'm just going to practice a few more X's over here, really making sure that I'm taking my time. Slide down, slide down. Okay, now first graders, what if I did this? I slide down and then I slide down. I slid down both ways, but does this look like my neatest letter X? No, it does not. What if I did this? Slide down, slide down. What about this X? What's wrong with this X here? You're right. I slid down both ways, but I slid too far down. I made this letter a descending letter when it is supposed to be a small letter. So nope, that is not right. Slide down, slide down, slide down, slide down. I'm going to see if I can do it nice and neat. Slide down, slide down. This looks like it's my neatest one. Check. Together, let's read this. X is for X-rays. Okay, first graders, in a second, you will download our worksheet today. It's going to look like this. The first thing I will do is write my name. Nice and neat, because sometimes I notice that some of us forget that when we're doing handwriting, our name should be written nice and neatly too. Nice and neat. Now I'm going to write my date nice and neat too. Practicing my numbers. It is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Okay, here it says Rex has a toy T-Rex. Which way is the exit? Please always give an example. I then noticed that there are 3 lines underneath each one of these sentences. So I will need to write it 3 times. I will write it first on the top line. Then once I'm done writing it on the top line, I will write the whole sentence. I will move down to the second line. Then once the second line is complete, I will move down to the third line. So we are practicing writing each sentence 3 times. I notice that I am going nice and slow. I am not rushing. I'm thinking about how all of my letters are formed, not just the letter X, but all of them. Oop, there's my X. Slide down, slide down. And then, of course, all of my sentences need to end with ending punctuation. Perfect. Then I would move on to the next one. And you got it. So Students, you can get started right away. And then don't forget, this is something that you need to upload to your Google Classroom at the end of the day. Happy writing!